Hey guys! Today gagawa tayo ng spicy chicken feet adobo. So, ingredient natin, meron tayo dito half kilo ng chicken feet, water, meron tayong suka o vinegar, meron din tayo ditong mantika or cooking oil. We have 1 piece onion. So, slice na natin siya. Then, minced garlic. And also, para maging spicy yung chicken feet adobo natin, meron tayong dried chili pepper. And then, of course, meron tayong half cup ng soy sauce, and for my specialty, lalagyan ko siya ng oyster sauce. So, not all of this. Lagyan lang natin until ma-blend yung lasa niya. So, first, lalagyan natin ang chicken feet. And then yung water. Soy sauce. So, yung ating oyster sauce. So, halo lang natin siya. Then, lagyan na natin yung cooking oil natin para hindi tumigas yung karne. Pang-blend yan. Then, onion natin and garlic. Yung after that, lagyan na natin ng vinegar. Then yung ating pepper. Chili pepper. Nilagyan natin siya ng unting paminta. No salt na kasi yung oyster sauce natin tsaka soy sauce natin may sariling alat na. So, ang lalagay lang natin is yung paminta. So, pakuluan natin yung chicken feet natin until na maging sauce yung ginawa nating magiging sarsa yung water niya. So, at least 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, check na natin yung ating spicy chicken feet adobo kung luto na siya. So, there we go. There. So, ito na. Luto na ang ating spicy chicken feet adobo. Enjoy guys!